in the building. Y'all see this dirty nigga? This nigga still ugly. This is my ugly nigga, but he alright though. But honest, truthfully, you fuck with him, I'll slap your mother. Then y'all know that now.
We started from the bottom, nigga.
Word.
Now we here.
If he don't put the goddamn phone down like he was at Bombers, I'ma slap the shit out
Word, I'm
of him.
about to cut his ass right now. The nigga got chewy socks on. Pull them out. This shit's supposed to be white, but they gray. Let's go. Cut your ass right now. You doing laundry again, nigga? What you doing? You drying them? You drying them still? It's been like 6 hours. How you still drying clothes? I'm about to cut your ass right now. What? I'm about to cut your ass right now. What happened? I'm about to cut your ass right now. You and your McDonald's hairline, nigga. Let's go. I'm about to cut your ass.
Talking about hairline.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, I'm sorry, but I want some cake.
I don't know why I saw the cake, my nigga.
Ready?
All over the cake, nigga.
Oh, I'm about to go hard right now, nigga. You fuck out of you, dory ass nigga. You look like Boots, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. About to go hard right now, little baby Tyrus. Fuck out of here, nigga.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Oh, happy birthday, dear Joshua. Lazy nigga. Happy birthday to you.
You know I love you, right? So
Happy birthday to ya. Make a wish, bitch.
Make a wish.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey! Alright, turn the lights
I
on.
look mad reckless in that video.
Go ahead, Josh, your song.
Come on, bro. Drake.
Hey.
That's the
Why you
Drake.
drunk? Cut it out.
That was Drake into the grassy.
Hey. Hey. I started from a chair, now I'm here. Hey.
Oh my God, I'm dead. Josh!
Hello.
That nigga got cake.